Good morning, welcome to my new video. Today is Sunday in Dubai and we're planning to have like a very cozy, relaxed day because it was chaotic with work and everything. So today we decided to took full day off and I'm taking you with me. We started day with Nikki Beach. That's our favorite beach here. I would love to show you Dubai the way I see it, like cozy Dubai when you live just like normal life.
Cheers.
Good morning, we got Starbucks. Actually, we haven't been to Starbucks. I haven't been for a while. It brings so much memories. It smells like America, but I don't know, the coffee taste. Maybe the same. Maybe we get used to like Italian espresso, Americano. It's much nicer. This one is okay. €5, $5.
Nothing really matters if you're not mine right here, right now. And even if the world ends, then I'll be fine. No fear, no doubt. I know a place that sneak away. Leave the pain, I'll stay with you. Let me hold you, close your eyes. We'll be reaching paradise. Ooh.
We have jellyfish situation. Move. Move from the sun. Ah!
We smuggled coconut into Nikki Beach. Apparently, you cannot take like any food or beverages here, and we didn't know. But we already had coconut, and we went to like private area.
Мариток.
Не очень похоже. Trying to have some Italy. It's almost 12 p.m. We supposed to be on the beach. We wanted to be on the beach until 11, but it was so nice, guys. If you're here in Dubai, Nikki Beach is like a must. I think it's my favorite beach for the boat here in Dubai. Let me tell you, it's not natural. It's made on the like island, but island is man-made. I mean, like everything in Dubai, nothing is natural here. You just get too used to it. But it feels amazing. Usually, like for example, if you go to Palm, you do feel like it's not natural. Here in Nikki
Wait a
Beach,
second.
what?
The sea is natural.
Yes,
The desert is natural.
yes. But I mean the beach. Like if you go to Palm, on
There is
Palm,
a natural beaches.
in Palm.
Not in Palm.
Yeah, here of course there is natural beaches, but this we're talking like
There are
about
natural beaches.
Nikki Beach. It's not public, it's private. We have
But the nicest places
is Nikki Beach.
are man-made.
Yes, yes. In Dubai, if you hear Nikki Beach is the best option. We have a pass, so we can go. It's like when you're resident, you can buy it for of course extra. But if you, for example, traveling here, you can go always to Nikki Beach Club. It's amazing too. Before we will go there. There you just like you can pay like entrance fee and just. So for breakfast we're having avocado toast, and I make it very simple. Good bread. Avocado. I just cut it. Salmon. We kind of did it ourselves. This is organic Norwegian salmon. And then of course eggs. got some groceries and now we're going to this store. If you like wine or alcohol, you need to know that. Look, it's like on parking lot,
Forbidden.
but it's like
Forbidden
liquor store.
wine.
But anybody can go, even tourists can get license very easy within like less than 1 minute. And you can, we're gonna get some nice fine wine for dinner. Our residence is inside the hotel, not inside, but it's like part of the hotel. So now we're on this and we're going to spa for massage. And this is hotel lobby. Yeah, we need to go up. It's second floor. We're going. What? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. And here is also, but it's too hot. Look, maybe we'll get beautiful elevator. So elevator either this way or this way. Oh, actually, no one there. Oh, I love this elevator. It's my favorite. It's central. So we're going to the pool and spa. And look, Burj Khalifa view.
Hustling girl, we wear the crowns. We made a world for each other. Running, we ain't been slowed down.
He is snoring a whole massage. I don't know if your husbands or boyfriends do the same, but I told him next time we'll do separate room because it's just unfair, you know, it's like torture. My massage music is he's snoring today. It was still good massage. There is Dubai lights.
Running, we ain't been slowed down. Been winning, but lost time together. We got the golden, baby, I'm so proud. Realizing all we've been dreaming.
What's up, guys? So it's almost sunset time. I wanted to be like ready for sunset and have a drink, but oh, buddy, hi! We have a dog friend of our dog on the like neighbor balcony. But sunset is already, so I'll meet it like that. You know, who cares? And then we're gonna cook dinner. We had amazing massage. Okay, Hugo having a party there with the dog. Okay, don't mind the view. They have a construction. We may be moving to the other side, but so we live. You know, there is like few buildings. We live in residency building, but there is hotel, and in hotel amazing spa. So I have my favorite massagist girl there, and I'm going there usually once a week or once or 2 weeks. But look at the sunset. Look at the view. That's our typical day, evening and morning. Hugo, what's up? What up? What's up? There is your friend? Your
Who's
friend
that,
lives
Hugo?
there?
Where is Buddy? Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh my god.
Buddy is your friend? Yes? Oh, what?
Sure. It's okay. Good.
We having little aperitivo time, you know, influenced by Italy. I'm cooking chicken, and this is for this guy because I'm your personal chef, right? So I'm cooking for him like real meals. This is chicken for Hugo. Now we'll start dinner. We decided to go to our balcony and Hugo have his own aperitivo. He's obsessed with cucumbers. На, даже не реагирует. He's not even reacting to his friends. Look at this view. Cheers, Simon. I would love to give you a recipe of very nice pasta. We lived in Italy for a while. We spent this summer in Italy. Less ingredients is the best. So let's do. I'll show you. So you gotta cut garlic. This part is for shrimps. This one I'll use for sauce. You put olive oil to the pan. Then we'll just fry garlic for like maybe half a minute, maybe less. Oh my god, it smells delicious. Then these shrimps we got, you know, apparently in Dubai is very good seafood. It's cheap, No, I mean relatively cheap, and it's good quality. This is wild shrimp from India. I hope you can hear me. So we will fry it with garlic and olive oil, like good olive oil. We have one from Spain, but ideally I love from Italy, but I couldn't find good Italian olive oil in store we went. By the way, this is for Hugo rice. So now shrimps are ready. You know, when shrimps ready, they turn pink. We take them off the pan, and then of course, of course, I almost forgot. You have to boil water for pasta. We have today this pasta. It's also Italian because I do prefer like Italian ingredients, and this made in Italy with Italian semolina. So we'll boil this spaghetti now. So already preheat the pan again and put some olive oil. Again, a lot of garlic. Garlic, and pretty much this is your sauce. It smells already delicious. Garlic. While it's okay, we have boiling water here, so we'll put some pasta. I know. Okay, this is enough. So the pasta. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's getting ready. So then, woo! What is going on here? Okay, and then tomatoes. Pretty much, if you hear me, this is a sauce, like tomatoes and garlic, of course, and then will be shrimp. Yeah, I will add more tomatoes. Of course, I forgot about salt to our sauce. You know, maybe I'll also add some water. So if your tomatoes are very watery, you don't need it. In Italy, we never need it, but tomato is almost ready. I mean, it's ready. We're returning shrimps.
Pasta is ready.
Pasta is ready too, right? So shrimps and tomatoes sauteed together. Let them sit for a while. This pan, like this pot, is so huge. I always look at the, you know, when people cook, like so pretty, so beautiful. But I mean, when you cook, you're gonna make some mess. It's not as pretty, you know. And pasta here. And then yeah, we mix all together. I think we need more salt. And our pasta is ready. It's very Italian. Like the best pasta in Italy that I've ate in Tuscany was with tomato sauce. It's just tomato, olive oil, garlic, and some spices. That's it. Not even shrimps. In America, I used to cook like heavy pasta with cream and everything, but now, you know, it's changed. So this is the final result of our pasta. And of course you need to peel shrimps. Usually Ivan peel it for me. This is a fine Italian. Yes, it's Italian wine. And you gotta peel the shrimps. Will you peel it for me? Yes, of course. That's a rhetorical question. And then you put back to pasta and eat it. You know, thank me later. And for Hugo, today meal is not as fancy, just rice and chicken because I need to cook chicken hearts and some veggies, but I'll give him later. You know, Hugo, because I didn't have enough time, so you'll eat that for now and some vitamins. I'm gonna try this. But I need more salt. But you know, I always was suspicious about like unpeeled shrimps in pasta, but it just tastes different. And we spent in Italy in like southern, it's not southern, it's like central Adriatic Sea, and we will go there for like fresh fish farmers market. It's very, very tiny, and we'll buy shrimps that's still moving. They cut them from the sea, and we'll get the shrimps and cook the same evening. Oh my god, it was amazing, but I didn't record anything because, you know, there is like some time. Like actually I was thinking like why I didn't record like the whole summer pretty much. We spent summer in Italy and I didn't record anything. Only Lauter-Brunnen trip and Tuscany trip. But we had so much fun. But I guess I just needed, you know, sometimes you just need like soak the moment, you know? But in Dubai, I'm with you. Cheers. Thank you. He's not doing that for a video, he actually does it normally too.
He does it for life.
Yes. Cheers, guys. Cook that pasta and thank me later in the comments because you will absolutely love it. Just choose the right ingredients: good shrimps, good pasta, and good tomatoes. Garlic, like any garlic will work. And good olive oil. It's 9 something p.m. Sunday. We're supposed to have relaxing day, but Ivan, my husband, has like for an hour already like work calls. It's like when you build a business, sometimes you just have to take a call, even if it's Friday evening or Sunday evening, doesn't matter. But I took my time, answer my like phone, also like some messages, talk to my mom, because the whole day I was focused on like life, but not on my phone. Then I cleaned like my kitchen a little bit, and now I think normally actually during like weekdays we usually walk, but now I think we want to watch a movie because we haven't watched it for a while. Oh, my husband actually free as soon as I remembered him. You free? Mhm. So we're gonna watch movie or walk and sleep. And in case I'm not recording anything, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this relaxing day. And I'll see you in my next videos. And please tell me in the comments what you would love to see more in Dubai, maybe, or like maybe if you have some questions, I'll be very happy to answer because I have a lot of useful information.